Artificial intelligence or AI is one of the most sought after skill in the tech industry, with its application ranging from chatbots, self-driving cars, and more. AI is changing the world as we know it, but did you know that you can earn money by making AI videos? In this video, we will show you how. Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Now let's dive into how you can earn money by making AI's video. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So I'm open a ChatGPT and start with suggest me 2 10 diet topics for YouTube channel. Hit on the enter. And here are 10 potential diet topics for YouTube channels. Like here it is 10 given: meal preparing for weight loss, plant-based diet and their benefits. So you can choose of them. Let me just choose one of them and I'm gonna copy it. Let me just select how to eat clean and beginner guide to healthy eating. So copy it. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write, please write 5-minute YouTube script about, I can paste it here. And let me just click on the enter. So here you can see the here of potential script for 5-minute YouTube video on how to eat clean, a beginner guide to healthy eating. So you can just do. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open a blank document. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just copy it and paste in here. Okay, for now I just keep it here. Then what I'm gonna do, go to the second step, go to the Pictory AI. Then in the Pictory AI, video creation made easy. This is the platform of AI. So from here you can easily create AI video. So let's gonna click on the get start for free. Click on that and then use start with free trial. I'm gonna use the continue the Google. Let me just click on one of them. It takes several time for do the process. And the Pictory AI platform, you can see here is the script to video and the article to video, the edit video using text and visual to video. So I'm gonna use the proceed with the start typing or copy paste your script. So click on here, proceed. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just paste in here and I just do the topic, click on that. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the entire your video name. I'm just say the how to eat clean, a beginner's guide to healthy eating. So I'm gonna just use the proceed and click on that. And after that, so it says that choose template. Template is the combination of style and branding. It can be easily edited under the respective tabs in the storyboard. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just choose one of them. Let me just click this one, hit on that and use the continue. Sometimes it takes several time. Please wait while the video storyboard is being created. So in the Pictory platform, you can see now project name how to eat clean and beginner's guide to healthy eating. And here you can see the scene 1, 2 and is the kind of the here. So from here you can just use your content or use your script. And you can see here, you can preview it. Before how I'm gonna do, I'm gonna choose the different voices. So click on that here, this one. Then go to my audio, and here from the audio I can use the background music. So I can use from here. Let me just click on here for or you can use the different one. Okay, for now I'm just going to use it apply. And the next thing is you can use also the voiceover. So which voice do you want to use it? You can choose from of them and you can also filter it by mail and use one of them. Let me just check it. So who is
welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Or I can use this one.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Okay, let me just choose the Jackson one and use the apply. And now you can see this applied to the first scene. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use like the speed. The next thing, so I can use the background music. with the duration, just click on that. So I can use the background music until the 10 minutes or 8 minutes and go to the apply it. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the preview or the download it, but I'm gonna just say the download and go to the video and use it for download, preparing your videos for download. So it takes the several time to prepare it, so you need to wait for some time for preparing it and for download it. So it's done now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just download it and press in here. Then let me just wait for download. Then I'm gonna show you how it works. So it's done. Now I'm gonna play it, open it.
Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing how to eat clean, a beginner's guide to healthy eating. If you're looking to improve your diet and make healthier choices, then this video is for you.
So those
Firstly,
are the few
let's
ways
talk
you
about
can
what
earn
eating
money
clean
by
actually means.
making AI video.
Eating
If
clean
you are
refers to
interested to
consuming
learn
whole,
more about
unprocessed
how to
foods that are
create AI generated
nutrient-dense and
videos,
free from
be
additives
sure
and
to check out
preservatives.
our
This
others
includes
video
plenty of
on
fruits
the
and
tips.
vegetables,
Thank
whole
you for
grains,
watching, and
lean
don't forget
proteins,
to
and healthy
subscribe to
fats.
our channel
To
for
get
more
started with
videos
clean eating,
like
the
this.
first step
We'll
is to focus
see
on
you in
whole
the
foods.
next one.